to me, Random Earth, and
Unicorn Sprinkles.
Unicorn Sprinkles. Okay, and welcome back to another Too Many Freaking Crafts. We're doing a impromptu craft. We're making a dollhouse for Lucy's toys, for Jessie, and a couple other friends. Here's our little...
and Antonia.
Just sort of sprung on us, so we're doing kind of an impromptu craft here, and yeah, that's what we're going to be doing. Supplies used in video. Cardboard box, cutter, scissors, hot glue gun, glue sticks, duct tape, packing tape, construction paper, magnet strips, markers, and pipe cleaners.
These are the total 6 episodes for use for it. Green, teal, yellow, and pink.
Okay, those are beautiful colors. We took a big old box we had in our garage, and we're cutting it up. Here are the end pieces, the front and the back of the house. We haven't put any doors or windows in it yet. And here are going to be the side walls. I'm trimming these to be the same size. Most crafts need a parent to assist you just while you're learning how to do these things yourself, especially if you're going to be working with scissors or glues and things, anything that might be dangerous or hazardous.
I found these two.
So I got the other ones. Okay, well here's two of the roommates. They're going to be moving into their own house. Yay! And Jessie. Howdy, partner. I'm Jessie, the Yodeling Cowgirl.
He doesn't talk right now.
Tonya? Is that what you call her?
Yeah.
Okay. And then we have another friend that's moving in, but she's currently missing.
And see the box.
We're breaking down the spots so we can use it for the inside walls.
What's that cutting? No, Jessie came alive.
Came alive? Oh, she came alive. Well, that's a pretty big deal.
Now, guys.
Welcome to life, Jessie. Alright, we're trying to make the inside walls so all the little friends have their own room.
And I'll wait for my new sponsor.
Alright, kids. Remember, if you're watching this, Windows,
Alright, so I'm working on Jessie's wallpaper. Lucy's working on the inside of the door. Okay, this is the house so far. We've got all the inside papered and put together. All the rooms have green for the carpet, but so you got Bessie's room is the green one, or this is the dark blue room, and that's the light room. The thing I'm gonna do before I stop for today is put the hinge on the front door. Okay, now we're gonna cut out some windows and walls and maybe one more door. I'm gonna take this pink construction paper and we're gonna put it on that house. Not that cat, the house. Cat, move, move, move. Okay, we're gonna take this construction paper and we're gonna put it on the house. Okay, we're gonna take this tape. We're gonna use it to do the doors, the outside trims, and trim around the windows. Now we're gonna make the roof. Now the base of the roof is finished. Now all we have to do is paper it and we'll be ready to go. Okay, so now to attach the roof, we're gonna put these strips of cardboard here for it to rest on to help, and then we're going to attach these magnetic strips, and we'll have other magnetic strips on the back of the roof. And that's what I'm doing now. So we've got the edge all the way on their side. Now we're gonna peel the back of this adhesive off of the magnet strip, and we're gonna put it right there. I've added the first two things, and now I'm adding the last strip back here. We're back to do the magnets for the other side. I think the easiest way to do this so that it'll actually line up is to cut the individual magnets, lay them on here, and then lay the roof on top, so then they'll line up perfectly. The roof is on. We got the magnets underneath to help keep it on, and so then when Lucy wants to take it off, she can pick up the lid and put it all in place. There you go. And I think that's the majority of what we're going to do. Anything else we're going to do is going to be the little decorations here and there, and then it'll be finished.
Mama? Hi guys. This is Todd. Now what's it? Let's show you my house. I need 8 ducks. I need ducks. What's how to we are doing this house? Green? Okay, Mama.
Hi, I'm you. So here it's done.
Ooh,
show it. Okay.
the pizza frame.
Okay, now we're gonna put some tape on the back, and then we can put it in the house. All right, Lucy, here you go.
This is doing good. This is doing so good.
Hi, Lucy. What are you doing?
Today is moving day, and the house is finished.
Yay!
And now
Another rainbow in the sky.
Oh, here they come now. Here they come now.
Oh, there they are. They got their luggage.
Oh, yes. This is the perfect house.
Oh.
Now, I'll go in first. Now, where do I hang my hat? On this butterfly. Where do I hang my...
We'll have to make a hook for it.
Where do I hang my hat? Maybe under here. Maybe hang it under here.
Do you
I
love
made
it?
What's stuck? Oh. I know. That might be my bed. And what's? There might be... There's another room. There's another room with someone else.
For your other friend. Oh. I love it.
I love it.
Do you love your house, Jessie?
Yeah.
Okay.
Now, about next day in the morning.
Now time to go to sleep. Good night. Well, that's all for today. Thanks, guys, for watching, and we'll see you again next time. Another Too Many Freaking Crafts.